I'm here at Stryker Performance in Orange County, California to check out their new shop car. Stryker Performance specialise in the maintenance and repair of modern BMWs, especially the turbocharged ones. They also specialise in aftermarket performance upgrades.
I am in a single turbo N54 powered 335i, and what an exciting car this is. This car is brutal. Dot race turbo kit, precision, Gen 2 turbo, 4085, port injection, 800 wheel horsepower. This is going to be something insane.
Yeah, I'm Sam, this is my partner Jake, and this is our pride and joy, the Stryker Performance shop car. I'm sure quite a few of you have probably seen it at different track events, and you know, we take it out to shift sector, no fly zone, that sort of thing, mainly standing half mile events, but it's our pride and joy. It's kind of what we use to show the world what we're capable of and what kind of noise we can stir up. So it's a fun car, and you know, I'm happy to show you guys around.
So how fast does it go in the half mile?
So that's a little bit of a bitter subject.
Yeah. Ouch.
So we built the car about a month before our first half mile event. We already had tickets to an event called Shift Sector. I'm sure you guys are well aware of it. We threw this car together in just about a month. We were doing some testing, got the car on the dyno. It made 803 wheel horsepower, 799 wheel torque. We were doing a little bit of testing, trying to just really kind of turn things up before the event, and we actually ended up blowing up a motor 2 days before the event, which is now a funny story, but at the time it was miserable. It was the worst 26 hours of our lives, but we immediately hopped on OfferUp, ended up finding a donor motor out of a 5 Series that had like 140,000 miles. We pulled an all-nighter, got the car back up and running with this mystery motor that we had zero faith in. Got the car on the trailer at about 5 a.m., got 3 hours of sleep, and then went to run a 169.94, which was 0.06 of a mile an hour away from our goal of 170, so a little bittersweet, but we'll get there. For right now, the stock block, it was a completely untested car, and we had boost turned down a little bit just because of what already happened with the car. So we ran a 169.94, our first time out with a completely untested car that we had just loaded up on the trailer, the night before. So it was, it was disappointing to be so close to our goal and not hit it, but at the same time, it was pretty amazing to see how well the car performed given the circumstances.
I'm gonna give it a little bit of beans in second just to see what it goes like. And it's like, whoa, there is power, right?
Yeah, so basically, I guess the main bread and butter of the engine is Dock Race top mount single turbo kit. It's fitted with a Precision 6266 Gen 2 turbo, and it is obviously running on port injection. Has a Black Market Spark forward-facing manifold. It's running the Motive Reflex, which is beautiful. It's been so easy to work with. Dialing in fuel trims, it controls our boost, our max solenoid. It's kind of an all-in-one tuning solution for the car. That being said, it is running on MHD. It's a standalone, and there's so much to talk about. It's got a Vargas turbo valve cover to kind of try and keep the heat away from the valve cover. So it's a billet CNC valve cover paired with their dual catch can setup, which is they're just phenomenal parts. They really work well together. Obviously, they're both made by the same company, so everything is, built perfectly.
Whoa! It just takes a little application of the throttle, and then there's lag, and then all hell breaks loose, literally.
We obviously have a 15-inch drag conversion, small Willwood rear brake conversion, line lock kit, a full 6-point cage, gutted interior. The list goes on and on.
Is the suspension stock?
So the suspension, for the most part, is stock. We have 80 engineering rear drag shocks. We pretty much refreshed everything with new components, but we have slightly stiffer springs in the rear, paired with 80 engineering drag shocks. So adjustable compression and rebound, which helps us squat for traction, and then kind of limits the rebound a little bit, so we don't fly out of our seats. But yeah, for the most part, it's stock, and it fits pretty well with the 15-inch rear drag conversion.
Who tuned it?
Doug from Subpar Tuning. So he is the man behind the keyboard that does all the magic for pretty much all the cars that we build and builds that we facilitate.
Okay, let's have another go. First. Okay, second. Yeah, that was better. Okay. Third, okay. Woo!
All right, let's retire for the day.
Yeah, thanks again.
Yeah, no problem.
That was definitely an experience. Okay, I'll just leave it here.
Yeah, that's fine. I'm gonna pull it in the shop. All right.
Thank you very much.
Of course. Yeah.